traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving and what are the key levels that we need to look out for the monthly expiry that is dated on the 27th of May 2021. So like yesterday I did mention that Bank Nifty about 34,766 is going to give us an up move, and exactly if you would see over here, Bank Nifty did go ahead and give us that move. Now this becomes very important for us for the analysis that at least 120 points were actually kept here. But remember, there were certain adjustment candles which actually triggered. So if you look at this candle at 140, so what was happening here is during the live trade is that we were all in green and profits and everything. And I told people that I have a feeling that we should go ahead and book it and exit the position. And as soon as I said that, there was a 200-point fall right from the top here at the candle within 2 minutes. So it did not give us an opportunity to go ahead and just recover from whatever had happened, but somehow we did manage, and I told my people not to carry any overnight positions because tomorrow they're going to be exactly the same volatile situations. So like yesterday I did mention, Bank Nifty below 34,513 is going to pull itself down, but it just took a support here and then bounced back. So over here, if I would say what are the key levels, over here there was a bounce of 389 points that actually happened from our level that we considered that this will go ahead and give us an up move. Now what is going to happen tomorrow is that tomorrow this particular line from 34,761 will now be shifted to 34,892. So if Bank Nifty opens at this range, most probably for the entire day tomorrow it is going to stay at the same range, and somewhere around 130 it is either going to go up or it is going to go down. Whichever side it does, highly likely the hero zero situation is going to come into play. And over here, an option which is at 40 rupees can even turn out to be 200. So that level for this particular index over here is 34,892, and below 34,513 we can also see another 300-point move here. So tomorrow look out for a hero zero situation at or somewhere after 130. That is what we are going to have, and after 130 there needs to be this level that needs to be broken. Within an intraday sphere, whatever it does, nothing will matter over here for now. So please keep this in mind. And if you want to check what we said yesterday and compare it with the current video, I want you to click on the link below or above, wherever it is, to actually see how we have improved with our levels. Now in terms of Nifty, now I had always mentioned that Nifty is a big fan follower of a trend line, and Nifty never did came towards the particular trend line. But like I told you that if tomorrow, if the price is above 15,292, it is going to go repel itself up. So if over there was a consolidation for Nifty, I think this is the considerable top that we have for Nifty in the recent times is what I'm thinking. But however, I can be wrong. But if this is taken out, then we are going to go to the all-time high of 15,450 tomorrow if we somehow sustain ourselves above 15,321, or else to support Bank Nifty's fall, if Nifty comes down over here at 15,266, then we are going to have crisp and clean targets that it is going to recover for 150 points, and that is right here. So whenever this trend line breaks tomorrow during the day, please keep this in mind. But I will be more interested in Bank Nifty rather than Nifty, because Nifty can consolidate or do anything, or there can be adjustment, but highly likely a possibility we are going to have a very good trade over here in Bank Nifty, and I want you to keep that in mind. Now with that, I go ahead and conclude my analysis for today. Now I'm not giving any stock reviews for the next 2 days, is all because that it's a monthly expiry, and I don't want you to go ahead and put your fingers and be volatile, because we are going to start fresh from the June expiry that will start from this Friday, and from there we are going to go ahead, repeat the history that we have concluded for a very long time. So stay tuned for some more exciting time, and please watch out for my levels, because tomorrow even your 20,000 can turn out to be 2.5 lakhs or something like that if it goes to our level and if something of the thing that we have anticipated happens. So I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day, and we are going to come up with some educational videos pretty soon. And just to also keep you posted that we are going to put a couple of strategies and a very important things over here very soon. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for your time. Wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.